Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to create professional email templates in Constant Contact to make your campaigns look polished and engaged. Let's get started. First, log into your Constant Contact account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up quickly on their website. Once you're in, click on the Emails tab and select Create to start a new campaign. You'll see an option to choose a template. Constant Contact offers a library of pre-designed templates for various industries and occasions. If you want to customize one, simply click on the template you like and use the drag and drop editor to adjust layouts, color, fonts, and images. You can upload your logo, brand colors, and custom photos to match your style. For even more personalization, explore the blocks feature to add buttons, social media links, or countdown timers. Make sure your template is mobile friendly by using the preview toggle to check how it looks on different devices. Once you're happy with your design, save it as a custom template for the future used by clicking Save As Template and giving it a name. Now you can easily access it anytime you create a new email. And that's it. You've just created a professional, reusable email template in Constant Contact. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what you're using Constant Contact for. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.